This module is to train maintenance teams and contractors on shop-along maintenance. The objective of this module is to familiarize you with the shop-along and explain shop-along maintenance best practices. Retailers believe the inspection, repair, and replacement of the shop-along is part of their maintenance contract. If this is incorrect, please bring this to the attention of your retailer. Otherwise, they are relying on you to perform the following maintenance inspection. First, inspect and repair the cart that the shop-along is attached to. If the cart needs to be destroyed, remove the shop-along unit first to be applied to another cart in good working condition. If the cart is in good repair, next, inspect the shop-along itself. Check to ensure the warning label is present and fully legible. Visibly inspect that the hydraulic damper is present on the side of the seat. Move the seat back up and down to confirm the spring is working properly and slows the fall of the seat when unnested. Make sure the harnesses are in working order. Fasten and unfasten the buckles. If the buckles do not come apart or they do not go together and hold, replace the harness. Inspect the webbing to make sure it is not frayed. If the webbing is frayed, you will need to replace the harness. If the harness is missing parts or showing damage, it will need to be replaced. Check to make sure the frame is anchored securely to the shopping cart. Also, check to ensure the plastic shop-along base has all 6 bolts present and tight. Visibly inspect the plastic to ensure there are no cracks or protruding areas on the units that may cause injury. Worn, bent, or damaged casters should be replaced to protect floor surfaces. Finally, ensure there are no overall signs of excessive wear, fading, stains, or damage. The shop-along should have a clean and inviting appearance. Be sure to clean as necessary with a mild cleanser. Make sure all cleaning agents have been completely removed from the unit prior to putting it back into service. Parts, such as the safety harnesses, can be replaced easily. Other repairs may require a higher level of mechanical expertise. Please call 1-800-356-7796 for replacement parts. A shop-along that fails any of these inspection checks or is not installed consistent with SafeStrap Company's shop-along safety inspection instructions should be replaced. To replace the shop-along harness, you will need to remove the old one first. Loosen and remove 1 screw from each of the 5 plates. Slide the old harness off of the plates and discard. There is 1 plate on the underside of the seat. Take a look at the new harness. The long pieces are the shoulder straps, and the single piece is the crotch strap. The buckle should have the words SafeStrap facing towards the shopping cart. Insert the loop of the new belt under the plate. Tighten and replace the screw. You may have to slightly loosen the screw holding the plate. If you do, make sure you tighten it. Repeat for the rest of the plates. Don't forget the one on the underside of the seat. Now repeat for the other side of the shop-along. The final installation should look like this. To replace the shop-along hydraulic damper, unless it's missing, you will need to remove the old one first. Begin by removing the anchor bolt at the top of the gas spring with a Phillips screwdriver and a 7/16 wrench. To remove the gas spring off the pivot nipple, slide a fine, flat screwdriver under the plastic clip like this. This lifts the clip off the nipple for easy removal. Install the new gas spring by inserting the bolt through the bracket, then a nylon washer, followed by the rod end of the gas spring, then a second washer, and secure with a nut using a 7/16 wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Replace the old nipple with the new one provided in the kit by using a 5/16 wrench. Raise the seat until the bottom of the gas spring is aligned with the pivot nipple. The bottom of the gas spring will snap into place over the pivot nipple with a firm push. The final installation should look like this. To replace the shop-along base bolts, look for any missing or loose bolts. There should be a total of 6 bolts installed. If any are missing, replace by using a Phillips screwdriver or drill bit. Over-tightening might break the black plastic washer, so use caution. The final installation should look like this. Once done with your inspection and replacement of any parts, please return the shop-along carts to each entrance of the store. Should the amount of shop-along carts fall below 2% of the store's fleet, please take action to restore to recommended levels. Please notify the store manager to place an order to have shop-along units sent directly to the store. For further information about the shop-along and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.